that we had fought against the virus and we could pack our bags for the trip, COVID returns. But it turns out that even though the number of death rates have reduced and the symptoms are not serious enough, we still have to work on our immunity, we have to take precautions and be very careful. So in today's video, I will be sharing some quick reminders that will help us smartly fight against the virus. So let us get started. Stay hydrated. This is a very important point that we normally forget. When you are having flu or fever, your body is losing a lot of fluid, and that is why it is important for you to drink at least 2 to 3 liters of water throughout the day, because water will supply oxygen to your body, it will pump energy, and you will be able to recover fast. You also need to give yourself some warm fluids because you might be experiencing throat pain, you might be having a sore throat. So having soup or having something warm, green tea, coconut water, etc. can help you feel hydrated and also make your throat feel better. When we are not keeping well, we are not able to eat properly. Our digestion is also disrupted. And that is where you have to understand that having something which is solid, which is not well cooked, will not be good for you. Having something which is semi-solid or liquidy might be easy on your stomach and you might be able to eat it as well. Keeping that in mind, make sure that you have a lot of protein that is good for your recovery, have carbs because you need energy, and have healthy fats so that you recover faster and you feel more energized as well. Try not to keep long gaps between your meals. Keep yourself energized by having small meals at short intervals. Make sure that you're not just giving yourself a lot of macronutrients, but you also keep micronutrients in mind. Include food that are rich in vitamins and minerals, especially vitamin C and vitamin B. Vitamin rich foods are very important for your immunity because these have anti-inflammatory properties, and they are also water soluble vitamins, so they will get depleted from your body easily, especially when you're not feeling well. So do include these in your diet so that you will be able to boost your immunity and recover better. Try not to rely on medications because even though it gives an instant response, it will make your body feel weaker. Your body will not be able to respond to any infection on its own because it is artificially relying on something that you are administering in your body. So try to go for home remedies. Include a lot of turmeric, ginger, garlic, carom seeds, cumin seeds, etc. in your diet. Incorporate them in your meals, add them to water or your teas or any warm fluid, and have it as and when possible. It is very important for you to understand that getting good 7 to 8 hours of sleep is responsible for your good health and for making you feel good internally. So especially when you're not keeping well, it is important that you get good sleep and you do not overexert yourself in doing something which is unnecessary throughout the day. Take good rest at small intervals so that your body is able to recover faster. And last but not the least, it is very important for you to maintain a personal hygiene, keep your surroundings clean, and keep yourself isolated so that you are not aggravating your infections when you're meeting other people, nor you are transferring your infections to them. So stay isolated and keep yourself distanced from others till you recover. You might think that it is easy for you to recover because you have mild symptoms, you might take this lightly. But what about those who have not taken the vaccination? Your vaccine is allowing you to recover sooner because your body is able to fight against the virus. But those who are not getting the dose of vaccine, like the kids or the ones who did not have the privilege, will not be able to respond as faster as you are. So you have to be responsible. You have to be wise about your actions. Take care of yourself and those around you. That is all for today. I will see you all next Sunday. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Until then, love, invest, find yourself and enjoy, and most importantly, take care.